VERTEX 2025, where precision coding and creativity collide.
Head of the Division of Electrical and Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering. So we just speaking the VERTEX 2025 right now.
please welcome Hasaru Dulanjana, the organizer of ET community.
Let each name called be a celebration of effort, a memory of today, and motivation for tomorrow. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for. It's time to honor the champions of each of the robotics and innovation competitions of VERTEX 2025. We will be inviting our winners up one by one to receive their well-deserved certificates and awards. Please join us in giving them a massive congratulations.
Second place goes to Eco Smart Autonomous Greenhouse. Innovation category. First place goes to Smart Vehicle Blackbox.
Robotic category. Third place goes to Team Next Aura. Second place goes to Team Zenith. First place goes to Future Boss.